Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. అందరికీ శుభోదయం. On 8th of this month, May 2025, Bombay High Court Single Judge Rajesh Patil refused to grant the anticipatory bail or pre-arrest bail to an additional professor of KEM Hospital, Bombay, for sexual molestation of 6 women doctors using his influence. This is the case. Very pathetic story. Luckily, Honorable Justice was pleased not to grant any anticipatory bail for him. The name of the person is Dr. Ravindra Devkar. He was working as additional professor, that in forensic science or forensic medicine. An allegation of sexual harassment was registered against him, and he approached the Sessions Court, where the pre-arrest bail was refused. As such, he has to come to the Honorable High Court, where the same was once again dismissed. Why so serious? What are the allegations? Better to know. Actually, the defense advocate, that is on behalf of Dr. Ravindra Devkar, he pleaded that there is abnormal delay in reaching the case because the incident continued, or the incident was supposed to have been done in 2021 as per FIR 2021. But the same woman, she has withdrawn the complaint. She went away to a foreign country. Now she sent the FIR through email. That's why the case was taken up. The police registered the case. During the course of investigation, they have recorded the statements of 6 women doctors who came forward with the statements, with the written statements that this man touched them inappropriately. He was a professor, and he is the paper checker, so that's why influential post I told you. So he behaved inappropriately towards them for a long time, taking advantage of the so-called influential post because he touched them inappropriately. అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడడానికి బాగోట్లేదు. Right. He was a teacher. He taught the victims about the forensic medicine. You know what is forensic medicine? So what are the different parts of the body, how the decomposition will take place, how to find out the injuries, how to conduct the post-mortem examination, how to treat the cadavers, all these things the forensic department they will be telling. And he is the paper checker. So therefore definitely he yields high influence among the students, and particularly women, they will be more afraid of them. So taking advantage of it, he used to sexually molest them. Some of them came forward very recently and came out. Otherwise, this would have been left to no report. Right. Then, in this connection, 7, she left the country and lodged a complaint, I told you. In this connection, Honorable High Court was pleased to comment. It is clear fear factor among several female doctors, medical students, and also female staff, because he is in the hospital. Some of the victims are in the hospital, they are residing in the hospital. This is very famous, King Edward Memorial Hospital, and that story also I am going to touch upon. So, if he is there, he may try to take revenge. They may try to take revenge because of this. He may try to do so. Therefore, it is better not to grant bail to him. Rejected bail. రైట్. సో హైకోర్ట్ కామెంట్స్ కూడా ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఇట్ కెన్ బి హెల్డ్ దట్ దేవ్కర్ బిహేవ్డ్ ఇన్అప్రోప్రియేట్లీ ఫర్ ఎ లాంగ్ టైమ్, taking advantage of the influence, that is the influential bias. One has to consider the emotional and psychological harm to the victims who are pursuing medical course. Safety in a workplace is very, very important. Hospital is also workplace. ఇంకా దీంట్లో విచిత్రం ఏంటంటే, he is a member of Prevention of Sexual Harassment Committee. కంచే చేను మోస్తేనే పెద్దల సామెత ఊరినే చెప్పలా, ఇదే అనమాట. ఇతనే చేస్తే ఎట్లా, రైట్? సో నో బెయిల్ టు హిమ్. డెఫినెట్లీ ద డెసిషన్ బై ద ఆనరబుల్ హైకోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ బాంబే, ఇట్ ఈస్ సెండింగ్ ఎ స్ట్రాంగ్ మెసేజ్ దట్ sexual harassment in any form will not be tolerated. It will be taken very, very seriously. ఎందుకంటే గత లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ 2024, I believe, August 9th, there was an unhappy incident in RG Kar Hospital, Kolkata, where an intern or female doctor, junior doctor, she went to the seminar hall where the so-called volunteer, police volunteer, he molested her, he was arrested. It has become a national issue. I think he was given life sentence also. So they may lead to such circumstances. Now lastly, KEM Hospital, King Edward Memorial Hospital, if it is correct, then I'm reminded of, because in my LLM during the year 2015 and 16, I have done dissertation, I have submitted dissertation on the topic of euthanasia under the guidance of our principals, Dr. K. Rajkumar. Euthanasia. In that connection, we mentioned the incident of Aruna Shanbag, a nurse from Kerala, who was molested by a watchman or by a menial cadre person in the hospital. It happened. She was there in comatose stage for 25 years. Ultimately, she lost life in the year 2014 or so. In that connection, Justice Markandeya Kadji and others, they have allowed passive euthanasia basing on a petition filed by Pinky Virani, 2011. Later, Common Cause versus in 2018, the guidelines were issued. So King Edward Memorial Hospital is, I can say, ill-famous only for that aspect. Otherwise, it's a very good hospital, KEM Hospital. Now, once again, that has come into the news with the great act of by this Devkar, right? ఏదైనా సరే జడ్జి గారు చేసిన చాలా మంచి పని. ఇలా ఉండే వాళ్ళకి బెయిల్ ఇస్తే the psychological and emotional factor of the students, medical students. ఇవి ఎందుకు చెప్పాను వీడియో చేయాల్సిన పరిస్థితి ఏమిటంటే, సహజంగా మేమంతా యాజ్ అడ్వకేట్స్ వీ ప్లీడ్ దట్ అయ్యా అసలు ఇది జరిగిందే కాదు, కావాలని చెప్పి స్టూడెంట్స్ మార్కులు వేయలేదని చెప్పి, సరిగ్గా ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయలేదని, ఇంటర్నల్స్ లేదని చెప్పి చెప్తుంటాం, న్యాచురల్. బట్ the decision taken by the judge is very important. The line in which he is drawn the orders are very, very important. The psychological and mental and revenge, maybe by the victims or maybe by him, he can use his influence. Kabatti, very good decision for rejecting bail. Okay, so please see the subject, make it etla dorutundi, enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.